The new Boeing 777X will be using a higher proportion of composite of the best materials in construction than the current model, in line with new upgrades in technology. The wing of the Boeing 777X will be remarkably different from any found on the current commercial aircraft. One of the biggest upgrades to the 777X is the use of the GE96 engines. Want to know about it? Well, stay tuned to the video and watch the video till the end. Hello guys, welcome back to Aviation News for another exciting video. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to get new updates on aviation. And in today's video, we're going to talk about the new Boeing 777X that will change the entire world of flying. So without any further ado, let's begin. Boeing 777X Commercial Jet. The Boeing 777X commercial jet is the newest generation of Boeing's long-range, extensive body twin-engine jetliners of the 777 families. In November 2013, the 777X was first introduced and launched in two variants. The Boeing 777-8, which seats 380 people with a range of 8,800 nautical miles, and the Boeing 777-9, which seats 450 passengers and has a range of over 7,300 nautical miles. Both programs were launched earlier in 2013, and currently the 777X series has 8 high-profile customers on record. Although the 777X series was not launched earlier than 2013, it already has 8 high-profile customers like Nippon Airways, Japan's biggest airline, British Airways, the national airline of Britain, Cathay Pacific, the One World Alliance member out of Hong Kong, Emirates, Qatar, and Etihad Airways, the German Lufthansa, and Singapore Airlines. Folding wingtips. Further, the wings have been designed with folding wingtips so that it increases airport compatibility. Folding wingtip designs are the first for commercial airlines, but it is necessary to stay within the size category of the current 777 with a less than the 65-meter wingspan. The folding wingtips are 3.5 meter long, and the folding wingtip activation system was invented and designed by Liber Aerospace. The whole folding process in locking the wingtips takes no longer than 20 seconds. Engines. Both the models of Boeing 777X feature GE9X technology supplied by GE Aviation, which brings 5% better fuel savings than any other competing engines out there. Engineered with the environment in mind, it also provides 11% improved aircraft fuel burn compared to the GE90-115B powered 777-300ER. The GE9X engines maintain the same world-class reliability of the GE911-5B while making far less noise and NOx. Among the other highlights of the environmental performance in terms of pounds of thrust per decibel, this is by far the quietest GE engine to this date, with the lowest emissions from a GE engine by a margin of roughly 53%. Cabin specifications. Having a look inside the new Boeing 777X, the cabin tops up with many more upgraded features than any of the past launches by the Boeing commercial airplanes. Thin cabin walls and improved insulation increased the internal cabin width from the previous 777 models from 230 to 235 inches to accommodate 18-inch wide seats in 10 abreast economy classes. The 777X will include cabin design features that necessitate structural alterations that were first featured on the Boeing 787 Dreamliner: wider windows and higher ceilings, increased humidity, and a cabin height of 6,000 feet. Ultra-luxurious interior. The 777X is the most luxurious version of the company's largest and longest range airliner. It's being sold with unfinished interiors, which can be completed by interior designers such as Jet Aviation, Greenpoint Technologies, or Unique Aircraft Design for an additional fee. During the MEBBA, these designer gurus unveiled 3 luxurious cabin designs, each including ultra-luxurious spaces dedicated to different activities such as leisure, business, and recreation. The ultra-luxurious interior designs include stunning modern master suites with separate rooms for dressing and huge bathrooms, plush lounges, and a Turkish-style steam bath known as a Shaheen, which means Royal White Falcon in Arabic. The Jet Aviation design gracefully merges modern and classic aspects. The Jet Aviation Design Studio in Basel merged with Boeing Business Jets to assist the launch of the new 777X. The cabin has been intended to seat 43 people as well as an 11-member crew. There are lounges, games and a cinema area, a stately office with private workspace, 3 guest rooms and a master suite with its own luxurious bedroom, spacious dressing bathroom area and a very large shower like many modern contemporary homes. The design includes modern and traditional elements that are contrasted through the use of colors, materials and the general design intent. These include forward-thinking concepts such as intelligent digital LED lighting throughout the cabin, as well as OLED and smart glass technology on all the window panels, which allows the windows to be dimmed and virtual curtains or window shades to be displayed. Minimalist yet vibrant furniture with delicate detail such as engraved inlays and flowery fabric inserts is used to balance off the light sidewall and bulkhead treatments. Light ceilings in contrast with a dark wood floor complete the design to make the passengers feel right at home. Looking at the current 777 family, it can be seen that only the 777-300ER has a significant amount of unfilled orders. Taking into account that Boeing has a backlog of 5,100 airplanes valued at $374 billion, it can be said that the contribution of the Boeing 777X to the order book is significant. In the coming years, this number will grow even further as airlines will replace their 777-747 and start ordering airplanes to grow the fleet. We're sitting at about 600 flight tests or 1,700 hours. Its performance is coming out very well. Boeing's Senior Vice President of Commercial Sales and Marketing, Ihsane Munir, said before the air show. Now that we've come to the end of this video, I want to thank you for sticking with me and I'd love to know what you think about it. Just comment down below. Also, if you like this video, make sure you like it and stay safe. A few more fun videos are coming soon. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.